to get my hands on them. Alright guys, this is so exciting. These are the new products that Elvie just released today, and I'm going to actually be doing a separate video on the Elvie patch, so definitely check out the description box below for that. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Elvie Curve. Hey guys, Mommy Shark here. If you guys are aware of the new product that was just released today, the Elvie Curve, that is a wearable suction pump, not electronic in any way, not battery operated in any way. This is just a pump that strictly works off of suction. And just to help you guys put things in perspective, it actually works in the same way as the Nature Bond or the Haaka pumps that are out there. And today I'm going to be basically reviewing this product and comparing it to what's already on the market. Just a quick reminder about my monthly giveaways. I have lots of great giveaways to come every month up until December 2020. December 2020 being the biggest and greatest giveaway. I'm giving away an Elvie pump and an Elvie pump accessory kit and the Genobi reusable milk bags just for you guys. So make sure you don't miss that notification. Hit me up on Instagram at MommySharkUncensored and also sign up to my email list. The link is in the description box below. That way you know for sure 100% you're not gonna miss out on the rules that are gonna be released so you can get your hands on the awesome pump. Okay, so jumping into the Elvie Curve, let's go ahead and open this awesome little thing. Look at this packaging. I am in love. All right, so let's go ahead, open this, and for the big reveal. Here we go, the Elvie Curve. This thing is, I'm just like amazed that nobody has come up with this already. I don't know if you are aware of this, but breastfeeding moms, when you're breastfeeding on one side, you actually leak milk from the other side. So basically when your baby stimulates and creates a letdown of one side, you start to drip on the other side. So that was why the Haaka Nature Bond, this squishy bottle, was invented, and hence now this Elvie Curve, which in my opinion just knocks the Haaka out in so many ways, which we're going to discuss today. So basically what you do is you put these on to collect the milk, and the suction that you create when you suck the nipple in basically pulls out milk as it creates suction, and that can also be to some degree like you pumping, but you're not actually pumping. Obviously, the first thing that you notice offhand is that the Elvie Curve is literally curved, and it's a friendly shape that can be put into your bra. Whereas the Haaka pump, I don't know if you guys have had experience with this, but when I breastfed my second baby for a good 5 weeks at the beginning, I used this Haaka / Nature Bond pump. And let me tell you something. As soon as you hook this on, obviously to the other breast while the baby is breastfeeding, the first problem comes into play is, can you imagine this is on and the baby moves, you had to move, you had to get up and readjust, or any slight movement can have this flinging off and all the milk going all over the place. And in a matter of 5 weeks, I've lost so much milk because of that. And to be honest with you, after some point, because it happened so much, I stopped using it because I was so worried that it was just gonna fling off. So I was more, you know what, let me just keep my bra on, let me put a pad in. I don't want to deal with this. And guys, listen, Elvie also released an Elvie catcher. Make sure to check out the actual review in the description box below if you're interested in Elvie Catch, which basically catches your milk. So that's another option if you don't feel like using the actual suction to get milk out of the second breast. Okay, so when it comes to suction strength, with the Nature Bond and the Haaka, which I can do a little test on my squish ball, if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments below. But with the Nature Bond or the Haaka pump, the ones that basically look like this, because there's many on Amazon.com and you'll see that there's many brands out there, you are getting very, very hard suction. And when I say hard suction, listen, I'm a kind of girl that needs medium to high suction to get milk out. So I knew that I wouldn't respond to a smaller suction. I'm more of a high suction kind of person. But let me tell you something. This thing was too much. So I did not go full suction on this thing. Okay, so when I put it on, I didn't press it all the way down and then place it on the boob. I just did like half suction, and even with that, sometimes I overdid it and it really hurt. Now, with the Elvie Curve, it is amazing because as soon as I put it on, and even if you press to the max suction and you put it on, you're not creating aggressive suctioning that can really end up hurting you. You're creating just the perfect amount of suction, in my opinion. And then with this, basically the way you use this is you push, there's a little soft area right here. It's actually all soft, but there's a little indented area for you right here. So you push it in, you place the nipple in the little hole and you make sure that it's centered, and then you let go and it's basically going to suction your nipple in. Now, if you need to adjust, you can use this little thing up here and actually release some air. So you can press on it from both sides and release some air until you find that comfortable suction. Now, when it comes to capacity, the Elvie Curve can fit 4 ounces, which is 120 milliliters. And the Haaka pump actually has the same capacity at 4 ounces. Okay guys, so when it comes to cleaning, both of these are made out of silicone. The instruction manual for the Elvie Curve actually tells you that you can clean this with soap, with a brush, whatever you need to do. It's not sensitive to heat, so you can actually sterilize in a steam sterilizer. You can also sterilize with cold tablet sterilization, which is a chlorine-based tablet. And you can pretty much do whatever you need to do to sterilize this. And make sure to check out their instruction manual if you have any questions about that. Haaka company does say that you can sterilize it with, you can boil it, you can steam sterilize it, but they say do not sterilize with bleach products, which means cold tablet sterilization. Do not use that on your Haaka because you don't want to deal with deformalities. All right guys, so next I want to show you that when you have collected the milk, how do you guys empty these out side by side, and I'll show you that comparison. Okay, now let's talk about the price. So you can find these for as little as $12.99 on Amazon. I've included a few links for you guys below if you're interested in getting this one. But the Elvie Curve right now is only available on their website. Link is in the description box below. Price-wise, the Curve is $49.99. But guys, you're paying an additional few dollars, but you're getting so much more. With this, you're gonna make sure you never cry over spilled milk using this because it, like I said, it sits in your bra and you never have to worry about it. So I highly recommend the Elvie Curve. If you guys are interested in buying this, check out the links in the description box below. I hope you guys found this helpful, and definitely don't forget to check out the Elvie Catch video in the description box below. Thank you guys, you are awesome, and remember to be a shark.